Leaving town. Does this mean we'll never see him again?
My son suddenly told us that he was going to leave town. Oh, tell me it isn't true. He can't survive out there on his own.
My boy up and declared he was leaving town to go on a journey. We only live once. I say while he's young, he should follow his heart, even if it means defying the man. Playing by the rules only gets you so far.
If the planet's a living being...
The factory's off limits. Factory's off limits. Drakes have been spotted inside. Huh? Wait a minute. Tifa? Don't tell me you're here to take care of those things. Are you? In that case, be my guest. We believe there's at least 2 groups lurking somewhere inside the factory. Find and cull them all.
I won't lose!
Too bad. Got that. Here it comes.
Would kill for a shower.
There. That should be enough intel for the kid. They're nothing.
Compared to us, at least.
I got your number. It's on now.
Bring it!
Gotcha. Let's go. They're nothing.
surprises there.
They're nothing.
Compared to us, at least.
Time to burn.
Okay, let's go. Bring it! Pour it on! Okay. You asked for it. Bring it! There! Gotta be slow. Would kill for a shower.
Locked up tight. Don't hold back. That'll do. Keep those gloves up.
Sure thing, Coach. You asked for it.
No holding back, see? Let's get this over with. It's over. Brace yourself. Burn.
No surprises there.
Give him hell.
The factory's open for business again.
If the planet's a living... I think we... I wonder what's going on. He said he was leaving town. Dancing's all I've got.
Got rid of those drakes in the factory, did ya? What a relief. I can't wait to give my regulars the good news. You're the real deal, all right. Keep it up, and I can see you going far as a merc in this town. I've worked with my fair share over the years, so believe me when I say that I know what I'm talking about. Anyway, you're needed over at the Pillar. Apparently another flying bastard stirring up trouble. Bet you can't get enough of this, huh?
Well,
No, I get it. If you're good at something, might as well make it your living. May not know you, but I know a man who's found his calling when I see one. Keep at it. I switch out my stock every so often, so drop by when you're in the neighborhood, huh?
Never ask folks about their suppliers. They don't take. So I was at the
He said he was leaving town.
What canned goods when I get sick of?
There's this one dude in the watch.
It's just me, or there more strays around?
I wish you luck in your endeavors.
There's this one dude in the watch.
They still can't hide me.
Thinking I might join in. Personal space, man. Respect it.
You never know.
If the planet's a living...
Tifa, you won't believe this! A cerulean drake flew in from the train graveyard, but these two clowns refused to get off their butts and do anything about it! Hey, is that? It is you, the new merc! Then maybe you can help us out. The drake is in the old telegraph factory over there, but to reach it, you'll need to get a hold of a watch security key. You should be able to find one inside one of the crates. I forget which, just smash them all.
Recently, a rather aggressive...
You working?
This won't take long. Enough. No escape. Nothing to it.
I won't lose.
See ya. Let's do it right. Enough.
That's the way to do it.
Damn it. Locked up tight. They're nothing.
Compared to us, at least. There!
It's over. Time to burn.
It's over. Bye.
No surprises there.
Yeah. Focus. Too bad. No escape.
Bring it!
Burn. It's on now. Try this.
Don't think you'll walk away from this. I got this. Enough! Here! Watch yourself.
Great. Bring it. What the hell?
Shake it off, okay?
Gotta be careful. All right. See ya. It's on you.
Just hang on. I'm coming. No need to panic.
I got this.
Nothing to it.
I won't give up. All good. Was never in doubt.
If this is what you want.
No escape.
Let me handle this. Watch yourself.
Hang back. See ya. Keep those gloves up.
Sure thing, Coach.
Took up residence nearby. Everyone in the immediate area should exercise caution.
And there he is! I knew you were the right man for the job. There's no denying you're the real deal. Not like these idiots with their excuses. Rather have one of you than 20 of them.
They're just doing their jobs. Can't expect them to be at your beck and call.
What exactly is it you're trying to say, Merc?
You need people who can follow orders, too.
I see now. Heard you were ex-Shinra. Guess I shouldn't be surprised you'd go to bat for your old buddies. Me, I'm just looking out for my people. All there is to it. Hell with you. We can take care of this town ourselves. No more mercs or Shinra. We'll build up the watch and kick you all out.
The way Gwen talks about you, you're the best thing since...
Good job ridding us of that pest.
Not gonna let you sleep.
Hey, if you're a hired hand, fix my house.
Until Dad was the source of all the life stream, right?
Hey, where'd you guys go? Oh, hey there. Is Marlene with you?
No.
Oh, okay. I was kinda hoping she could help me find my friends.
I know someone who can help you. This guy right here.
Really? Okay, let me tell you all about them. They have long arms and legs, and they're a little skinny. They like places where there's food, and nice people will give them treats when they ask. And small spaces. Oh yeah, and they're all cats.
I'm looking for cats.
They're friendly, so if you call them, they'll come running. All three of them. Find my friends, please. They love crowded places, like the road to the station. A lot of people stop to play with them there.
What's the source of all life? The life.
Next item on the Friends of Freshness agenda?
Can we expect Shinra to perform any maintenance?
Fear is in the mind.
You totally saved that man's business.
Hey, we got another job for you, Merc.
Might want to introduce yourself.
I know you. You're that,
Cloud!
What was it?
You were the first to gather the data I requested. Here is the rest of your payment. I have developed new materia. Would you like to see it? I plan to develop more materia in the future. Together, we can harness enough power to take down Shinra. I'll keep preparing more battle intel reports, which I hope you will assist me in completing.
I'll bet a lot of people are talking about you right now. There's this amazing merc who can handle anything.
Nothing I've done around here has been all that special, though.
Oh, so you want more of a challenge, huh?
I have to tell you that I'm grateful for all of your help thus far. I've done it! I've developed a new materia. I look forward to receiving all of your future battle intel submissions.
A certain shopkeeper told me you paid him a visit. Thanks for helping him out. Just so happens there's another job I'd like to offer you. Now that I know you can handle yourself in a fight. We've got a real killer on the loose, you see. A rabid catch dog. Maybe you've heard people talking about it. Shinra mutt gone feral. Last sighting was in Scrap Boulevard. Think you're up to it?
I'll handle it.
You're a lifesaver. Doubt anyone else around here stands a chance. Go get him, bud.
Is there anyone who can chase off that subway? Now I know what we see.
Keep your cool.
No need to worry. Bring it!
Best do it right. Get ready. Anytime now. Here it comes.
Bring it!
Gotta be careful. Sloppy. Damn it.
Hey, over here! Tifa! Hey, Cloud!
I drove the Hound into the area up ahead. He's pissed, so make sure you're ready.
Coming through.
Out our way!
All right.
I got this! Gotcha! Chill out!
Try this. Right.
I've got you covered.
I won't give up. Get ready.
Try me.
Here it comes.
Stay strong. Let me handle this. Keep it up. Bingo. There's no escape. Gotcha. Stop that.
Just like that, okay?
I gotcha.
Took care of the dog, did you? Phew, we owe you one.
Gotta say, I've never seen a Shinra breed like that before. Out of curiosity, when exactly did it show up?
Oh, today. The first reports came in just this morning. Why do you ask? Wait a minute. There's this crazy story about a Shinra research lab hidden right beneath our feet under the slums.
Huh. Really? That's news to me.
And here I thought you might know something I don't. Well, I guess not.
It's a big organization. I'm sure there's lots of secrets I don't know.
Yeah, fair enough. You got the bastard. That's good enough for me.
For dealing with that filthy animal.
Hey, what are you doing in there? Come on out. I'm trying to get a cat to come out. It snatched one of my pastries and scurried in there. Will you be a dear and lend me a hand?
This sucks.
Oh, for the love of... I'm sick and tired of chasing this little guy around.
Is there anything he'll refuse to do?
I've been told the sewage smells
You're gonna have to save up for the
You're the boy who fights for money.
There's this one dude in the watch who's like a genius cat.
He's not a gopher, you know. People are saying good things about you, Merc.
There's this one dude in the watch who's like a genius.
I might need your help one day.
I told Dad we're getting married and moving topside. They'll also go wherever there's free food. Marlene says she always gives them some snacks when they go to 7th Heaven.
What?
Lots of girls lie.
If it isn't the Merc putting in work.
You got something to say?
Glad we no longer have a rat problem.
Please give me a job.
Wait, did you hear that just now? I think one of Betty's cats might be
You ever heard
nearby.
the phrase living hand to mouth?
I don't know. I like it here.
So this is all avalanches?
Glad we no longer have a rat problem.
I was supposed to be where
That was definitely a cat. I wonder if it's one of Betty's.
Looks damn near rusted. There's no space, man.
One game as long as it buys us around.
I don't know. I like it here. It's nice.
Thinking I might join.
But didn't she send money back home?
He's not a gopher, you know.
It's just me, or there must be.
You're the one.
Gonna have to save us. I see a lot of cats hanging out near the beginner's hall, too. You know the place. It's the one with all the houses around it. They love crowded places, like the road to the station. A lot of people stop.
What's the source of all life?
I might need
I heard you making money hand over fist. I'm jealous.
She! You must be take a picture, why don't you?
Have the childhood friends.
Heard good things about you.
That's where the watch guy Biggs lives, right? Heard he...
Ain't no monsters here. Ain't no monsters here.
You make good money as a merc. Seen the merc with the biggest sword in town? You can own one just like him.
There's our cleanup guy.
You've been kicking some serious monster ass.
We'd love to have you in the watch.
That's the guy who ran the monsters off.
Monster Slaying has been updated. Got new numbers for Monster Slaying this month. Check them out.
Thank you. That hound had us scared half to death. Thank you. That hound had us scared half to death.
Gotta admit, the watch is a lot more unpleasant.
Is it just a watch?
Not a lot of options when
Hey, Miss Lockhart, who's that guy you're with?
We're gonna find the best, don't you just... You're a one
So
There's no better way to win life.
Glad we no longer have a rat problem.
Please?
looks like I'm not the only one.
You never know.
That flying thing didn't scare you?
You're much more...
I've seen that poster.
They found out who bombed Maria.
These beauties just came in from the plate. What do you say?
I just can't decide.
Wherever the hungry masses are, that's...
Hey, folks have been talking about the great job you've been doing lately.
Some
Somebody's gotta be on standby.
Come on, little guy, don't be scared. I won't bite.
My mattress is too hard. I can't sleep. I just need to forget today.
Gwen was completely gushing
You
over
look
you.
like you got topside connections. How about hooking a guy up?
How are we gonna manage?
Oh, you know you want some of this, babe.
I do.
This is not good. I have work.
Do you think the train graveyard really could be haunted? It'd be so cool if those rumors were true.
People do say they've seen ghosts about there.
I'm gonna hunt down those criminals and bring them to justice no matter what.
But I kind of...
Why are all the train lines shut down?
Why did it have to be the
If you were gonna cut in line, think about this. Best drinks in town, right?
Gwen was completely gushing over you earlier.
I found out who bombed the reactor.
If you think about it, the reactor.
I've seen that poster.
That flying thing didn't scare you?
The way Gwen talks about you, you're the
Good
best.
job ridding us of that pest.
You're a real one-man army.
They were saying.
We no longer have a lab. He said he was leaving.
Wait, did you hear that just now? I think one of Betty's cats might be nearby.
He said he was leaving town.
What's gotten into
Yes,
Johnny?
enjoy yourselves. It's like they don't even care around.
Screw this.
So how's you're wonderful.
Do you think you're stronger than
Me and my partner.
One of the Atwell says. Oh.
Oh, there's this one dude in the watch.
He's not a gopher, you know.
Gonna have to save up for something. How much do we need to buy a house? What? They ran away? So, I'm never gonna see them again? You guys! You came back! They said that a scary man was chasing them. Thank you!
Okay then. That's another solid gig in the books. You know, the whole town is really impressed with what you've done. Keep it up, and you'll have enough work to keep you fed for a lifetime.
All thanks to you.
And don't you forget it.
So where do we get paid? The shop or something?
Yeah, but why don't we head back to the apartments first? Take a quick breather.
Which lesson was that again?
Lesson 1. Got it? Anyway, let's go.
I've been told the sewage.
I don't know what we'll do without you.
Good riddance to those rodents.
Huh? Someone's back awful early. Not that I mind. Would you two be dears and swap your filters out for me? I left them in your rooms.
Sure thing.
Not so fast, you. Do me a favor. She needs a friend. A real friend.
we're already friends.
So when she talks, are you really listening? Thinking about her and her feelings? Or are you just going through the motions? Go on.
Let's take care of this real quick, okay?
Sure.
Come over when you're done. Give me 1 sec. I'll be done in a bit. Finally. So, after you left the village, I let you off the hook before, back at the hall, but not this time.
Well, when we were kids, everybody wanted to be a soldier, right?
Yeah, I remember they were on the news every day during the war.
Thing is, by the time I finally made it in, they didn't need heroes anymore. It was nothing like what we dreamt of. It was just working for Shinra. Just...
I'm sorry. I know it's a touchy subject.
Not exactly small talk. Especially with someone you haven't seen in a while.
I get it. Still, it's kind of funny. Us going our separate ways, thinking that must be it. That we'd never meet again. And then here, of all places, we do. You know what? We should totally celebrate. Let's dress up and hit the town.
Really?
I mean, why not? It'll be fun.
Do you even have fancy clothes?
Not like fancy, but I'll figure something out. What do you think would suit me, huh?
Something refined.
Yeah, I guess we're not kids anymore. Be sure to pick an outfit that goes with mine, okay?
Will do.
This is gonna be so much fun. You'll see.
Yeah. Maybe.
And on that happy note, I think it's time we head back to the bar. Come on.
You don't need a break?
Honestly, I'm feeling pretty good. Marl isn't always right, you know. Hey, Marl. We took care of the filters, so we're gonna head back to the bar now.
Take care, you two. Oh, you're looking pretty chipper.
I don't feel that different.
Must be my imagination, then. Anyway, keep your wits about you, Merc. A token of my appreciation. Be good to her. You'll get no second chances from me.